In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through what's known as a combination exercise, which is where we put two singular exercises together to make one fluid movement. In this case, we're taking a squat and a row, and we're going to be using the resistance band in this tutorial. So firstly, when it comes to resistance bands, the thicker the resistance band, the harder and more resistance you're going to have. And the thinner the band, the easier and less resistance you're going to have. So that would be how you would progress or regress this exercise. So what I want you to do is I want you to find something that's not going to move, that you can loop the resistance band around. So I'm going to take one side of the resistance band, loop it around this fixed resistance object I've got here. You can use anything, you don't have to use a cable machine. And what I want you to do is have the resistance band in line with your lower abdomen, so your lower core. From here, you're going to step out away until you've got a little bit of tension on the resistance band. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my feet hip width apart. My feet are facing forwards. And then from this position, I'm going to squat back. So I'm going to bring my hips back. And once I come into the lowest part of my squat, I'm then going to bring my elbows back and I'm going to try to retract my shoulder blades. So think as you're coming down, you come into the lowest part of your squat, you row, bring the row back in, and then you stand back up. Again, coming back into the squat, row, shoulder blades back, elbows into the body, and you stand back up. So you're rowing, trying to squeeze your shoulder blades, bringing your arms and elbows close in towards your sides, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.